I'm back on my bullshit, beating it up. You might think I'm abusive. Sipping this juice, I ain't talking no lucid. She went up working, that bitch must be stupid. Fuck top 5, I'm number 1. Devin Book, I ain't talking about the Suns. Pop out black hood like a nut.
This thing about bone dry. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, bro. Get the headlight restoration kit from Rain-X. Nothing polish, protection sealant. All the attachments and pads. Came with some gloves. Alright, I already put the coolant in there. I'm about to move this car over here. Don't like being in the grass and whatnot. I'm gonna polish these headlights because I already tried using that bug spray method. Now they're disgusting. You know, foggy as ever. You can see how good they were at one point. After that, I'm gonna have to fix this vacuum leak. I think the vacuum leak is causing the mass airflow sensor. Unplug the mass airflow sensor, but I can hear the turbo a lot more. But that's supposed to happen. Like the motor don't change, idle don't sound different. So I got a vacuum leak somewhere. I don't know how I'm gonna find that. We got some bad beans coming our way. This is not good. I started it too many times. I killed the battery. This thing's idling like I just got it fucking cammed. Oh my god, bro! I got the bro. Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, dude. Was just running fine, bro. I deleted the code for the engine light. I'm an idiot. I'm just an idiot. Bad vacuum leak. Nah. No bueno. Oh my gosh, bro. There it goes. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh nah. Bro, I'm about to cry. I guess I'm just gonna try to do this. What in the world, bro? Sand and refining to remove scratches. Are these the directions, bro? Ah. Clean and dry headlight lens. Carefully apply multiple layers of tape around the headlight. But why is the battery just the never good in my million years? I just need a new battery, bro. That's the issue. Alright, now we gotta tape that off. Not the best masking job on planet Earth, but I don't really care too very much. My phone or my GoPro is too low on battery. I do got this one looking a bit better. I had a bunch of still see green lines, bro. I guess because I ate this, kind of fried my paint. Okay, I gotta paint the bumper and the hood anyway. I got all this junk sprayed everywhere, bro. That is disgusting. This is a lot better. Now I just gotta polish and protect. Oh my gosh, bro. And I went through 2 drills, bro. That drill, like, smells like fire, bro. Like, blew up. I don't know what's good with that. I got to the last step of polishing. I lost this thing, went flying in the wind, so I just detailed the car. I had this little new shop vac, bro. I'm sure there's gonna be a night and day difference. This vacuum leak and fucking
diagnosing the vacuum leak.
Cleaning my headlights. That's nice. They don't come with, they come with the foam padding. I like that.
Some of them come with the rubber one, which is nice. But I'm not gonna use these bolts. I think I'm gonna get self-tappers. What the hell? Fuck off my boy's carpet. You like that?
Look at how disgusting they are. That's the bug spray business. And I sprayed it all up and it left them marks.
It doesn't work.
Look at this.
Does it not work?
I barely did anything to this one. No, I didn't do anything to this.
Think we can do mine?
If you want to. How bad? Not even that bad.
Even. Why is it?
Polishing pad.
Why is it?
Okay, it's a piece of shit. It's a house one.
Piece of shit.
Squeeze a nickel size amount of the Rain-X premium headlight buffing. That's not the buffing pad.
What is it?
That's sandpaper.
Oh.
It's like really fine sandpaper. That's I cleaned it up.
Can we get my scratch with it?
What do you think? What scratch?
Come here. Come here.
Cause there's a clay one that
Will
you
this
like.
scratch the truck?
Nah,
barely?
how thin? That's the like the softest one. I don't know if it'll scratch, but it shouldn't. Squeeze a nickel size dime of this.
Oh, nickel size dime.
Alright, what the fuck is all this about? Oh,
This is interesting. Interesting.
it's not a nickel at all.
What are he saying? Oh, I see. That's cute.
And you smack this on there.
That's hella cute. You get it done with that?
I'm liking
Yeah,
this.
Different, huh? Have you done it yet? That's
Nah.
what's flattering all over the top. That doesn't feel in half.
Oh, these are pads. What the hell? They're multiple at least? Hell no, there ain't. Well, they're better. A lot better. Holy shit. That's nice. I can actually see what the inside of my headlight looks like now. I gotta see what I did to my paint here.
You know what I mean? It's so hard. You know, after the whole thing, this whole thing.
That's our pizza. Robert North. Whatever, like.
It's like a Halloween costume.
What the fuck, bro?
Should we try to put them on, bro?
Not even. Car X.
No, I'm gonna try it real quick. I'm gonna send the car actually back.
Bro, it's already clear.
couldn't catch the van. Are you for real? Shit, maybe I'll try running next time. Couldn't catch a van. Come on, bro. Who do you have? Fucking Officer Doofenshmirtz Davis, bitch?
Bro. Look at my fucking
Holy shit,
headlight.
that looks nice.
Yeah, look at the headlight.
No, that little piece, but that looks nice, like, compared to how it did before.
So it's just got me tight. What's leaking?
The battery. That's why I don't be holding the charge, bro. Look at it.
That's never good.
It has to be battery acid, right? I mean,
Yeah.
that would...
Where else would it really be? Woo! It's gone. Now this whole part of the headlight's extra scuffed. Oh, she got me tight. Oh! That's how I'm feeling. Wasn't today just glorious? Where the fuck is the fucking fat sponge?
Yeah,
Oh.
no way, my battery is leaking. That's crazy.
I'd say so.
$200, bro. I'd be putting off my ball joint for another week now.
Yeah, this one got like low-key nice.
Hell.
I like that.
Yeah, they're like brand new now. Look at that.
That's nice. Alright, we're reading. What the Yeah, bro. It's talking about all this vacuum leak and every cylinder's misfiring. But then I'll start revving it. It'll go away. It's not going away. But it shouldn't run that smooth. Every cylinder's misfiring. What, bro?